You can get in your car?
Yeah.
You're all wet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Where are you going? You gonna go to Food Lion?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. What are you gonna go buy?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Why not?
Are you back from Food Lion?
Yeah.
What did you get?
Ball.
Oh, great. That's good.
Okay. I'll buy you gates.
You wanna go play in the water some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you gonna go?
Buy you gates. I'll buy gates. Ball.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have fun. See you soon. Love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Abby.
What you doing, Mommy?
Are you back from your trip?
Yeah. What eat church? What eat church?
You gonna go eat at church?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun.
Not for toys.
You gonna play with toys at church?
Yeah.
Okay, have fun. Are you gonna wash your car too?
Yeah.
Because your car is gonna get wet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna get wet? Okay, bye. See you later.
Yeah. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Abby. You got grass in your toes. Oh, you got some eggs.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with them? Oops, you fell down.